So if I were to actually go ahead and open up HandBrake, then what happens is that you can see that it is light in the user interface right here. So let's say I want to change it out and use HandBrake in dark mode. In that case, you can go around over here onto the tools right here and then go to preferences, and over here under general you can see that right now it says use light. So if I were to go ahead and say use dark right here, I can go back, and what I need to do is reset out the application now. So let's just go ahead and close and then open up HandBrake again right here just like this, and now you got the dark mode as you can see right here just like this. If you want the HandBrake to mimic what the system settings are, then you can simply go around over here onto preferences, and then around over here instead of use dark you can say match system as well. Simply go ahead and close it and then open it back up again, and in my case the system settings is set to light, so it simply goes ahead and shows light mode right here just like this as you can see. And that is how you can use HandBrake in dark mode or light mode as you wish, just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe